MJ Marfori here from TV5. Congratulations, Beanie, for being the latest. Of course, face of Shopee. Napakalaking feat nito. Yung reaction nyo lang, girls, no, na talagang parang kayo pinaka-in-demand ngayon. Di ba? When it comes to endorsements, kahit na walo kayo, di ba? Talagang kukunin talaga kayo ng mga brands. Who wants to go first? Maloy?
Sobrang thankful po talaga kami sa mga tao po na tumangkilik po ng song namin. Especially to our management, to our groups na sila yung pinakaunang tumulong kung nasaan kami ngayon. So we are really grateful sa brands. We are really grateful for Shopee for getting us, and we cannot wait to spend more years with them. Thank you.
And ito with, of course, great kasikatan comes great. Siyempre, lahat ng tao gusto kumabit sa pangalan ng Beanie. Nagbabasa ba kayo ngayon online? Nakita niyo ba meron daw religious group? Sinabi na parang, it's funny. But of course, yung salamin-salamin daw, parang witchcraft. Yung reaction nyo lang, kasi ganun laro, diba? Do you find it, nakakatawa ba?
Actually, hindi na po kasi kami nakaka-open ng social media po dahil sobrang busy po. Ngayon lang po namin nalaman din po yan. Well, hindi na natin makakontrol din po kasi yung utang ng ibang tao po. Actually, nakita ko po yun. Yung post na yun. Pero nakakatawa po. Hindi ko po, pero mas nakakatawa po. Pero nakakatawa, natatawa na lang po kami na may mga gano'n na mabubuong kwento na theory po yung mga tao.
Ibang level.
Fake news po yun. Hindi po witchcraft ang salamin-salamin. Maganda lang yung song.
Maganda lang at kasayaw-sayaw lagi. Congratulations, girls. And of course, next up we have Daniel from ABS.
May intro na sa akin at hindi tayo na MJ Marfori. Thank you so much. Well, first of all, congratulations to Beanie for being the new face of Shopee. Sobrang what an achievement again for your group. But just this morning, na-release din kayo ng Teen Vogue as, isa sa mga aabangan, isa sa mga aabangan na girl group this 2024. Your thoughts about that? Teen Vogue to, internet, US-based lifestyle platform. Go ahead.
Well, first of all, we'd like to say thank you to Teen Vogue and of course everyone else who made Teen Vogue see that we are of potential to be in one of those international girl groups to look out for, and we're very honored, but at the same time there's a lot of pressure, but we hope to take that pressure and be able to perform well and better and always show our best and perform in more international stages outside of the Philippines.
And apart from that, sobrang dami na rin achievements on the musical platform, like iba't ibang musical platform, like most streamed kayo, 1 million daily listeners, 5 million monthly listeners. So, ano naman yung feel niyo about it? Like, how do you guys look at it now with Pantropico and also Salamin and all your songs?
Hindi po kami makapaniwala na nakarating po kami sa ganitong point na million na po yung nakikinig po sa aming Beanie, and unti-unti na po kami nakikilala po and minamahal po ng ating sariling bayan. So, super thank you po especially po sa Blooms na nandyan po para sa amin, and of course yung management po na talagang sobrang love na love po kami. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, MJ.